In the dynamic world of project management software, there are countless tools vying for attention. From nimble task trackers to comprehensive enterprise solutions, the market is rich with options. Among these, Smartsheet has carved out a significant niche, recognized for its spreadsheet-like interface combined with powerful work management capabilities. Given its popularity and the pervasive presence of tech giants, a common question arises: is Smartsheet owned by Microsoft? As a project management expert, I can tell you definitively that Smartsheet is not owned by Microsoft. Smartsheet is an independent company that develops and markets its cloud-based work management platform. While it often competes with Microsoft's own project management offerings, such as Microsoft Project, Planner, and various components within Microsoft 365, Smartsheet maintains its distinct corporate identity and ownership structure. This is a crucial point for anyone evaluating project management tools. Understanding the ownership of a software vendor can shed light on its strategic direction, integration priorities, and overall ecosystem. Smartsheet's independent journey. Smartsheet Incorporated was founded in 2005 in Bellevue, Washington, USA. From its inception, it has operated as an independent entity, building its platform from the ground up to address the growing need for a flexible, visual, and collaborative work management solution that goes beyond traditional spreadsheets. The company's journey included several funding rounds and, notably, an initial public offering (IPO) in 2018, where it began trading on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, SMAR. This meant it was a publicly traded company, owned by its shareholders, not by a single larger corporation like Microsoft. Recent ownership shift. Early 2025 update. It's important to note a significant development in Smartsheet's ownership. As of January 2025, Smartsheet completed an $8.4 billion acquisition by private equity firms Blackstone Incorporated and Vista Equity Partners. This transaction took Smartsheet private, meaning its stock is no longer traded on the NYSE. While the ownership has changed from public shareholders to these private equity giants, it still does not mean Microsoft owns Smartsheet. Instead, it signifies a strategic move by investment firms to foster Smartsheet's growth and innovation as a privately held company, free from the immediate pressures of quarterly public market reporting. Why the confusion with Microsoft? The perception that Smartsheet might be owned by Microsoft often stems from a few key factors. Market competition. Both Smartsheet and Microsoft offer tools in the project and work management space. Microsoft has its own robust suite, including Microsoft Project for traditional project management, Microsoft Planner for lighter task management, Microsoft To Do, and the collaborative capabilities within Microsoft Teams and SharePoint. Because they are often seen as alternatives or competitors, users might mistakenly assume a corporate connection. Integration capabilities. Smartsheet has developed strong integrations with Microsoft's ecosystem. Users can connect Smartsheet with Microsoft 365 applications like Excel, Teams, Outlook, and Power BI. These integrations enhance collaboration and data flow between the platforms. For example, you can share Smartsheet content in Teams, sync data with Excel, or use Power BI to visualize Smartsheet data. These seamless connections might give the impression of a deeper corporate link, but they are simply the result of strategic partnerships and API development, not ownership. Geographic proximity. Both Smartsheet and Microsoft have significant operations in the Seattle/Bellevue, Washington area. This geographic concentration of tech companies can sometimes lead to assumptions about affiliations. Microsoft's acquisition history. Microsoft is a major player in the tech industry and has a long history of acquiring companies, e.g., LinkedIn, GitHub, Activision Blizzard, Nuance Communications. This track record can lead some to assume that any prominent software company in their domain might eventually become part of the Microsoft empire. What this means for project managers. Understanding Smartsheet's independent status, even under private equity ownership, is important for project managers for several reasons. Product roadmap and strategy. Smartsheet's product development and strategic direction are driven by its own leadership and now by the goals of its private equity owners. This means its focus might be different from what it would be if it were part of a larger conglomerate like Microsoft, which would need to align Smartsheet's roadmap with its broader enterprise software strategy. Competitive landscape. Smartsheet is actively competing with Microsoft and Google, Asana, Monday.com, Jira, etc. for market share in work management. This competition often drives innovation and distinct feature sets, which benefits users. Integration priorities. While Smartsheet offers strong Microsoft integrations, it also integrates with many other popular business tools, e.g., Google Workspace, Salesforce, Tableau, Adobe Creative Cloud. This broad integration strategy is typical of independent software vendors aiming to fit into diverse tech stacks, rather than being confined to a single ecosystem. Support and ecosystem. When you use Smartsheet, you are interacting directly with Smartsheet's support teams and community, which are dedicated solely to their platform. This is different from navigating support within a massive organization like Microsoft, where resources are spread across a vast portfolio of products.